I don't give a who's dying. You chose your job, deal with it. I love the way you NHS workers think you have the right to boss us around like we're selfish for breathing. You don't give a damn about our lives. I'm not responsible for anyone's health except my own. I couldn't care less who I apparently murder by not wearing a mask off and die. Hello, I'm Sammy. I have been a doctor for about 10 years in the NHS. We've actually had quite a lot of abuse, particularly on social media. It's mainly around that COVID is somehow a hoax or a conspiracy. So people just not believing NHS staff who are trying to speak up about how bad things are on the front line at the moment. I've had somewhere between 20 to 30 abusive messages a day, and that's been everything from swearing and calling me names to saying, well, I don't care who's dying, you can't tell me what to do. And that's really hard when actually you're giving your all to try and save patients on the front line when things are so difficult, when you are working all the hours that God sends and there are some people who don't support you. I cannot tell you how much this has devastated morale. I had a junior doctor who was working in A&E said, I really don't want to go in. It's because there was a horde of people who were telling me that COVID was a hoax and shouting at me, and I was half broken. So I started this campaign. I just thought, what's a really good way of having a visual representation of support for NHS staff? Wouldn't it be really lovely if people could just post, a load of blue hearts for all of our NHS staff? I never thought in a million years it would catch on, but it did. We ended up trending #1 in the UK. I did end up having a little sob. Now I've seen people like Gary Lineker, Hugh Grant, Sue Perkins. Most people are firmly in our corner and have wanted to show that. NHS staff really needed that tidal wave of support. We just want to keep you safe. We just want, you to stay at home, and I just don't want you to end up in my intensive care unit. I really don't.